Welcome to my channel Max My Heartbeat. So students, in the previous videos we have seen about relations and functions and have started complex numbers. We have discussed about introduction of complex numbers, how to represent complex numbers, okay, along with operations on complex numbers. So in operations on complex numbers also we have discussed about equality of complex numbers, addition of complex numbers, subtraction of complex numbers and multiplication of complex numbers. We are left with only one concept, that is division of complex numbers, that we will see today in our today's class. Okay, so let us start our class. So today's concept is division on complex numbers. How to perform division on complex numbers, let us see. So today also I am taking two complex numbers. Z1 is equal to A1 plus IB1, comma Z2 is equal to A2 plus IB2. This is my first complex number and this is my second complex number. Now I want to divide Z1 by Z2. So Z1 divided by Z2 is equal to A1 plus IB1 by A2 plus IB2. But if I divide directly, can I get this again in the form of a complex number? No, I can't divide A1 by A2 and write I into B1 by B2. Can I write like this? No, it is not possible. So for that sake, what we need to do means take the conjugate of the denominator, that is second complex number conjugate we have to take. So conjugate of A2 plus IB2 is nothing but A2 minus IB2. Both numerator and denominator we have to multiply with this conjugate. So A2 minus IB2. Okay. So that is equal to product of two fractions. So now this becomes a fraction and this also becomes a fraction. We know that product of two fractions is product of numerators by product of denominators. So numerators we have to multiply separately. A1 plus IB1 into A2 minus IB2 by, again, A plus B into A minus B. I can write this as A square minus B square. So A2 square minus IB2 whole square. Okay. So that is equal to, now multiply the numerator. Okay. How to multiply the numerator? A1 into A2 is A1 A2 plus, okay, plus into minus, minus I as it is A1 B2. Okay, again plus, again this term we have to multiply both A2 and IB2. So IB1 into A2 is I into A2 B1. Again plus into minus, minus I square B1 B2 whole divided by this A2 square as it is minus this one I can write I square B2 square. Okay. Now again it is equal to A1 A2. If I take I common in this, plus I into, now I have to take plus term first. A2 B1 minus A1 B2. Again minus, can I substitute I square value minus 1 here? So minus of minus 1 into B1 B2 by, so here A2 square minus, here also I square value is minus 1 into B2 square. So here A1 A2 minus of minus is plus B1 B2. So this is my real part plus I into A2 B1 minus A1 B2. This is my imaginary part for the numerator by A2 square minus of minus is plus B2 square. Okay. Now what I have to do means divide this denominator separately for both A1 A2 plus B1 B2 and A2 B1 minus A1 B2. So what I will get A1 A2 plus B1 B2 by A2 square plus B2 square. This is my real part plus I into A2 B1 minus A1 B2 by a2 square plus b2 square. This is my imaginary part. Okay, now this is in the form of a plus ib. Yes, again I am getting some complex number, right? So this is how we have to do division of complex numbers. Now everybody understood? Yes? Okay. So if you understand my concept, please give it a thumbs up. Okay. So now let us see some examples related to division and multiplication of complex numbers. Okay. So that you can understand still more clearly. Yes, understanding concept and practicing the problems, both are important. Okay. So for first example, for n belongs to n, 1 minus n whole power 1 minus I whole power n into 1 minus 1 by I whole power n equals. So what is this value equal to? We have to find out. Options. Option A is 0. Option B is 2i power n. Option C is 2 power n. Option D is 4 power n. So which option is correct? We have to find out. Okay. Shall we start the problem now? Okay. So I am dividing my board into two parts, so that will be very convenient for me. So let me write that part first. 1 minus I whole power n into 1 minus 1 by I whole power n. So this is my first given in the question. So what I will do means this 1 minus I whole power n as it is I will do. This 1 minus 1 by I. Already I have explained in the previous problem. No, 1 minus denominator I will get means what you have to do means multiply the remaining part, that same fraction with both I on both numerator and denominator. Okay. So that is equal to 1 minus I whole power n into 1 minus 1 into I is I by I into I is I square whole power n. So that is equal to 1 minus I whole power n into 1 minus I by I square value is minus 1 whole power n. Okay, this I can write as again 1 minus I whole power n into 1 minus of minus plus I whole power n. So what you have to do means a power n into b power n. I can write as ab power n. So 1 minus I into 1 plus I whole power n. And we know that a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So 1 minus I square whole power n. So 1 minus I square value is minus 1 whole power n. So 1 minus of minus plus 1 whole power n. So 2 power n is our answer. Option is C. Okay. This is our first example. Now let us see still two examples. Now let us see second example. I hope everybody understood first example. Yes. Okay. Next let us move to our next example. Example 2. So example, the value of one minus 2i by 2 plus I plus of 4 minus I by 3 plus 2i is a plus ib. Then a comma b is dash. So options, option A 24 by 13 comma 10 by 13. Option B 24 by 13 comma minus 10 by 13. Option C 10 by 13 comma 24 by 13. Option D 10 by 13 comma minus 24 by 13. So what are the values of A and B if this value is equal to A plus IB? Okay, that is we have to solve. So now let me divide my board into two parts, and directly what I will do means for this one I will take the conjugate of the denominator first. So 1 minus 2i by 2 plus I into 2 minus I by 2 minus I plus of again 4 minus I by 3 plus 2i into 3 minus 2i by 3 minus 2i. Okay. So now only I have said no, product of two fractions is product of numerators by product of denominators. So 1 minus 2i into 2 minus I by 2 plus I into 2 minus I. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. So 2 square is 4 minus I square. Okay. So plus again this I can write 4 minus I into 3 minus 2I by, here also A plus B into A minus B. So A square minus B square. So 3 square is 9 minus 4i square. Okay. 2 square is 4. I into I is I square. Okay. Now let us multiply numerator. 1 into 2 is 2. Again 1 into I is I. So 2 minus I. Again minus into plus minus. 4 into I is 4i. Plus into minus into minus plus 2i into I, 2i square by 4 minus I square value is minus 1. Okay. Next again plus of, again multiply here also first term with first term and second term. 4 into 3 12 minus 4 into 2i 8i. Again I into 3 is minus 3i, minus into minus plus 2i square by again 9 minus 4 into I square value is minus 1. Okay. So now let us simplify this. So this is equal to, so first I will write I values. Okay, first let us substitute I value here. So 2 minus I minus 4i plus 2 into I square value is minus 1 by 4 plus 1 is 5 plus of, again 12 minus 8i minus 3i plus 2 into minus 1 by again 9 minus of minus plus 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay, so that is equal to 2 minus I minus 4i. If not, okay, I minus 4i minus I minus 4i is minus 5i plus into minus minus 2 by 5 whole, sorry plus again 12 minus 8i minus 3i is minus 2 minus 11i plus into minus minus 2 by 13. So here plus 2 plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. So that is equal to minus 5i by 5 plus of 12 minus 2 is 10 minus 11i by 13. Okay, here also 5 gets cancelled. I am left with minus I plus 10 minus 11i by 13. Okay, from here I have to simplify again. So first 3 steps here I am erasing. Okay, this side first 3 steps I am erasing and doing the problem continuously here. So that is equal to, so take the LCM here. So I into minus 13 into minus I becomes minus 13i plus 10 minus 11i by 13. So here 10 as it is. 13 plus 11. Why? Because minus 13 minus 7 means both you have to add. So minus 24i by 13. So take separately. Real part means 10 by 13 minus, if not plus of, I into minus 24 by 13. So this equal to a plus ib. Therefore a comma b is equal to, a value is 10 by 13 comma b value is minus 24 by 13. This is how you have to do the problem. So option B. Okay. So let us see one more problem, last but not least. Okay, one more problem and let us wind up for today. Next example, the value of 1 minus I by 1 plus I whole square plus of 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole square is dash. Your options, option A is 2i, option B is minus 2i, option C is 2, option D is minus 2. Okay, let us see the solution now. Okay, so same, I am taking the conjugate of 1 plus I here. So 1 minus I as it is, 1 minus I by 1 plus I into again 1 minus I by 1 minus I whole square plus of again 1 plus I by 1 minus I into conjugate of 1 minus I is 1 plus I, so 1 plus I by 1 plus I whole square. Okay, so that is equal to, so a minus b into a minus b is a minus b whole square, so 1 minus I whole square by a plus b into a minus b a square minus b square, so 1 whole square is 1 minus I whole square is I square by whole square plus of, again 1 plus I into 1 plus I, a plus b into a plus b, so a plus b whole square 1 plus I whole square by, so now a minus b into a plus b, so again here also a square minus b square whole square. Now a minus b whole square, what is the formula for a minus b whole square? Anyone? Okay, a square plus b square minus 2ab by, here 1 minus I square, so in the place of I square I am substituting minus 1 here, again whole square plus of a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab by, again 1 minus of I square is minus 1 whole square. Okay, so here I am continuing is equal to, so 1 plus, if not in place of I square again here also I am substituting 1 plus minus 1 minus 2I by 2 whole square plus of, again 1 plus minus 1 plus 2I by 2 whole square, so here plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, here also plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, so minus 2I by 2 whole square plus again 2I by 2 whole square, so 2 here also gets cancelled, minus I whole square is I square plus I square, that is 2I square, so 2 into I square value is minus 1, so into 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Okay, so students, this is my topic about division of complex numbers. I hope you like it, you have understood this concept, I hope so. So if you like my video, share my video to your friends, subscribe my channel and take care of yourself. Take necessary precautions for COVID-19 like wearing the mask and using sanitizer if necessary. I hope you will be fine always. Health is wealth. Thank you.